Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Seeking Alpha's portfolio tracker for performance, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Seeking Alpha website. Log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, locate the Portfolio tab on the main menu. Click on the Portfolio tab to access your portfolio overview. If you have not added any stocks yet, click on the Add Symbol button. Enter the stock symbol of the company you wish to track. Repeat this process for each stock you want to include in your portfolio. After adding your stocks, take a moment to review the portfolio layout. You will see key information such as price changes, percentage gains, and overall performance. To analyze performance in detail, click on the Performance section. Here, you can view metrics like total return, annualized return, and benchmark comparisons. Use the time frame filters to customize the performance view as needed. For more specific analysis, explore the Stats tab for in-depth financial data. Look at metrics such as earnings per share, revenue growth, and market capitalization. Return to the main portfolio page to adjust your holdings. To modify a stock, click on the pencil icon next to the stock name. You can change the number of shares, purchase price, or the stock status. After making adjustments, save your changes to keep your portfolio up to date. To track performance over time, regularly check back and update your stocks. Utilize alerts and notifications for crucial market updates on your listed stocks. Refer to articles and analysis provided by Seeking Alpha to enhance your investment decisions. Take advantage of the community features to engage with other investors and share insights. Regularly reviewing your portfolio and performance will help you stay informed and improve your investment strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.